Welcome to National Kitchen Equipment, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on our NKE-900 Now this is one of our imports we bring directly into the country. As you can see, it's a fantastic drinks merchandiser. It has LED strip lighting down either side of the refrigerator, lockable doors at the base. We also have a merchandising banner at the top that you can change if you want to put your own logo in there. You can turn the lights off for the evening to save electricity, and also if you basically don't want to gain attention to it if it is in an area in a public walkway. Bottom mount compressor, as you can see, with an ambient operating temperature of 38 degrees, so it will handle a nice hot environment. And we have double glazed doors on the unit, and that will stop the water from condensating on the outside of the actual fridge in high humidity, and it also keeps the fridge more efficient so it'll retain the cold inside the fridge. Now this fridge also has automatic defrost, so you're not going to have to do a manual defrost like some of the other imports you see have, with the cheaper variety, where this is an affordable fridge, but it has all of the features of the big brands. It is fan forced, frost free. You also have some of these adjustable shelves here, so you have 4 layers of adjustable shelves, and the actual metal in between the shelves is quite close together, so you won't get the products, the cans and the bottles tipping either way like you do when they're widely spaced apart, and that has been a problem with some of the fridges that I have sold in the past. With this one, it isn't. Nice and bright. It'll gain heaps of attention when the customers see your product, and it really boosts your sales. So you can't really pass up one of these. So we'll just give you a close-up of the actual fridge. Nice self-closing doors. You can see the spacing in the wire there is quite tight. There's your fan at the top. As I was saying before, multi-adjustable positions. All aluminium, not plastic. And down the bottom, the twin key locks. If you mention this video, we'll give you a 10% discount, but definitely one of our biggest sellers. So we've just got a new shipment that's come in, so be fast because they're going quick.